Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to tell you to earn money online by technology. Let's start on your Google Chrome. Type this how to earn money online technology. So eight ways to use technology to make money. Number one, create digital product. Number two, sell product online. Number three, tutor. Number four, share music or art on online platform. Number five, start a YouTube channel. Number six, free lessons. Number seven, create online courses. Number eight, Kickstarter. How you can make money using technology to get going. Asaf, here are eight kinds of tech jobs you can start earning money with. Number one, visual editing and design. Number two, branding. Number three, web design. Number four, UX user experience design. Number five, digital marketing. Number six, front end development. Number seven, WordPress development. Number eight, Python web app development and data analysis. Which skill is best of online earning? 2. Top 13 highly profitable skills to make money. Affiliate marketing, social media marketing, website development, content writing, copywriting, email marketing, SEO, SEM, and more items to earn money online, marketing technology. So, how to make money fast with new tech skill crush. How to make money too fast to tech skill. Number one, visual editing and design. Number three, branding. Number two, branding, and number three, web design. What is high income skill? A high income skill is a skill that you will be able to leverage in order to get paid more in the marketplace.